Flat Earth Hippie here. Flat Earth dork right there. Doing a little sun gazing. Not sure what I'm going to talk about. I guess we could talk about the Earth if it was a ring magnet. You know, the dork pointed out to me that maybe just the needle points south, and so maybe you know, on a ring magnet, the poles are going to be on the ring on the outside. You know, the center of that's going to be the toroidal vortex. You know, and that sounds plausible, but kind of thinking the compass points south, and they just painted that red needle to give us something to look at, so we'd think it was, you know, pointing somewhere. And it may well be pointing to the center of that toroidal vortex, but started talking about that, you know, and then there's this direction thing where, you know, unless you're playing ring around the posy with the north, there is no east or west. You know, you can go and circle east, I guess, but as far as I'm concerned, if there's any direction at all, and south would be it. Anywhere I point, I'm pointing south, you know, if there is actually a ring around this stationary plane that we apparently exist on. I'm pretty sure that, well, I know for a fact it's not a spinning ball. So, that being said, looking at our own personal sun here, everybody I think's got their own personal sun. I was guessing mine at a, you know, pretty darn close, you know, 40 or 50 miles or 30 miles or something, but you know, that could be or could not be. It really doesn't matter because the fucking thing isn't even really there. It's just, well, it's one of those unsolved mysteries so far for now, but pretty darn sure everybody's got their own sun, their own personal sun. It's for their eyes only. Moon, same story. Sucker just does what it wants. Well, I guess I didn't really have too much to say. I feel a revelation coming on. It's in the air, but I hasn't quite landed yet. So when it does, I'll be sure and let you guys know. Thanks for listening.